We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. All right, back at it. We are under severe thunderstorm warning from now until 10:30 tonight, so we could be cut short at any point. But for the time being, we're gonna continue on. So he's got a couple T-posts in the ground there with that first panel on. There's a post there, a post there. He's attaching it to the end of our front fence, with the black rail on top. And then this other panel that's still slouching, we'll get another few T-posts and they'll be put in from there to the H-frame. And then that's where our stretch fence starts. So once we get that done, we can clean up all around and get everything put away, and then maybe plant some trees and throw down some wildflower seed before the rain comes. That'd be awesome. So we'll see where the day takes us. Cleaned up, and we're working on putting everything away. We want to switch out the implements on the tractor so that we have the bucket and the shredder instead of the forks and the saw. So he's working on getting that last stump out of there. I just got the other one that's just there. But this is too much of an e-ticket ride on this slant. I don't like it, so I hopped out and told him to do it. With the stump situation, that one came off clean right there. Got a load on the front. We got the cart attached to the back with a ratchet strap, which is Lance's common practice around here. Although I did it, so it's probably not right.
I fixed it.
You fixed it? Okay. And then we're gonna go unload all this good fencing material over by the shop and come back for this roll over here. Put everything back in the shop. Oh, and then we gotta put the bucket on the tractor. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. came in to change the battery, and on my way back out, this is what I see. Two dogs. They're on their lead. They can go way out under the trees. But look, Morgan and Bindi. Bindi down there. But Morgan, he's just really relaxed up there. Funny cats. They don't mind the big dogs at all. I think they might get in the house, but I'm going right back out, so they wouldn't want to be in here anyway. We're just trying to smooth this out a little bit more. Yeah, I think that looks good. We're trying to get from that side down into the center. See, that looks good. I like that. Because you filled the ditch, and then we've been over here driving and being all crazy with everything. And it was still pretty soft. Our thunder is in full force right now. We have two of the trees in, and he's digging the hole for the third one. They're called Little Jim, so they're not huge magnolia trees. They're gonna get 15 to 20 feet tall and 10 to 15 feet wide, so we're planting them 10 feet apart. And we're giving them some good potting soil with fertilizer, and then a ring of native soil so that we can water them and they'll stay on them. And they are pretty much where the irrigation ditch was, so all the water on both sides will drain into where they are, which is kind of cool. If it rains, it's going to automatically water our trees for us. I have a bucket and a bunch of seeds, and I'm going to put all the seeds in the bucket and mix them up. So this one, okay, so here's lavender. Then I have a package of Eden Brothers late bloomer, fall blooming wildflowers. So that's kind of cool if you can plant something now that'll give you flowers again later on in the year. And it says it's a mix of 10 different species: white yarrow, cosmos, snapdragon, California orange poppy, cornflower, purple cornflower, painted daisy, larkspur, Giant Imperial Mix, Sweet William, Shirley Poppy, Sunflower Dwarf, Sunspot, New England Aster, Gay Feather Blazing Star, Baby's Breath, Annual Phlox, Black Eyed Susan, Glorios, Daisy, Zinnia, California Giant Mix. Eden Brothers Red, White, and Blue Mix, which is a mixture of German chamomile, cornflower bachelor button, and red something poppy. I don't know, palm poppy? Red palm poppy? I don't know. 2 packages of foxglove mixed colors. Then I have a package of mixed color columbine. And we have Iceland mixed color poppy. A big bag of butterfly and hummingbird wildflower mix. And I don't know that it even says, oh it does, in very tiny print, so I'm not bad. Brought the rake, so we can rake and throw it down and rake again, and hopefully the rain waters it for us, and we'll see what happens. Now we can, what's that? I'm drawing a blank on that Olympic sport with that big rock on the ice. Hurling. 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 I said hurling.
Okay.
That's what we should do. I feel a raindrop.
Yeah. Oh, you're fine.
Oops.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
That's where all your shizzle is.
My shizzle. I put all my shizzle in the cart. What do you think?
Yep, fence is done. All of the fence is done. Actually got 3 trees in the ground and put up bird food.
Bird food. Wildflower seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, if the wildflowers come up, it'll be bird food, certainly.
Right.
It'll be nice, I think.
Yeah.
I think it'll look good.
Yeah.
Wildflowers all along there, 3 blossoming trees down here, and then we still have to figure this part out, but probably just more flowers from that first tree.
Yeah.
All the way to the mailbox, I think. Just more flowers, all the way to the mailbox.
Oh, boy.
but it looks really good. And then over here with the cattle panel, we tied it with wire to the pipe post and with T-post attaching thingies to the T-post there, and then this panel is attached to that post, but this panel that comes this way is not.
Yeah, so because there's at least, you know, like 2 feet of space in between the old fence and this new one, so there is a gap in that area. So in case I ever have to go back there into that gap and, like, you know, do some trimming or something like that, we just use some connectors right here, so when I need to, I can unhook all these, pop this open, and I can get through there. So made that easy. And then, you know, eventually we'll also try and get this angle thing corrected too. We'll see. I'll have to dig a bigger trench, but today was way too hot and humid to do the bigger trench.
It was very humid today.
Yeah.
I think it was like 97 and 75% humidity when I was in the house still, right before I came out.
Yeah.
Feels good now.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a storm on its way. As long as it gets here, we need the rain.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Oh, we finally got our torrential rainstorm.
Yeah.
The lightning and thunder.
It's almost a waterfall level off the house.
And we have gutters.
Yeah. Wow.
That is nuts.
Yep.
The thunder and lightning is crazy too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we'll have to wait a little bit to walk the dogs. Look at that. I do love a good Texas rainstorm. Huh? It's a little wet, yeah. Good grief. It's like daylight when it flashes. That's awesome. Yay! Listen to how hard it's raining.